Showing station values as 3D text along a road is a great visual aid. This video will show a workflow we can use 3D Measure to place these station values as blocks with 3D texts. I start by extracting the crown feature line from the corridor with Naviate's export corridor. The feature line will be created as dynamic so that it will update if the corridor changes. Then I start 3D Measure, select the extracted feature line, and select the template 3D station value. This template comes with Naviate. I can use Preview to see where the labels will be placed, and the correct values will be added later. I can change the interval before I accept the placement and make sure to tick Add Property Set so that Add Property Point is opened. Here I select the station value property set and select the correct alignment to get the station values from. Once that is done, the command automatically updates the blocks so they show the correct station value. The station values are stored in a property set on the blocks. In the property set, you can change the number of decimals, the delimiter, and the grouping. To update the blocks, you can use Copy Properties to Attributes, and the blocks are updated. The station values can be viewed, for instance, when using Drive to follow along your road, or they can be exported to any visualization program. Since the extracted feature line is dynamically linked to the corridor, it will update automatically if the alignment is moved and the corridor is rebuilt. The station values can then be updated starting 3D Measure, selecting one of the texts, and use OK to update the group.